Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play I Love Music on the piano. We will begin by identifying the fundamental chords that form the song's foundation. Mastering these four basic chords, C major, G major, A minor, and F major, is crucial for a smooth performance. Focus on transitioning seamlessly between them, ensuring each chord sounds clear and resonant. This initial step lays the groundwork for building the entire piece with. Next, we will concentrate on the right-hand melody. The main theme is quite accessible, often starting around middle C. Pay close attention to the specific notes and their rhythm to capture the song's essence. Proper finger placement is key to achieving a fluid and expressive sound. Aim for a light touch and consistent timing as you articulate each melodic phrase. This will bring the song's recognizable tune to life beautifully. Playing Fallout Shelter on PC offers several advantages over mobile. You will enjoy a much larger display, allowing for a clearer view of your vault and its dwellers. The game also benefits from precise mouse and keyboard controls, making vault management more efficient. Furthermore, Steam provides cloud save synchronization, ensuring your progress is safe and accessible across different computers. This enhanced experience truly brings your underground community to life. Finally, it is time to bring both hands together. Begin by playing at a very slow tempo, focusing on the coordination between your left and right hands. A metronome is an invaluable tool here, helping you maintain a steady rhythm. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase the tempo, but always prioritize accuracy over speed. Consistent, thoughtful practice will lead to a confident and enjoyable performance of I Love Music.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.